Welcome to our heat map creation tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a new heat map. Heat maps provide visual representations of user interaction on your website, helping you gain valuable insights. Let's begin by demonstrating how to create a new heat map. The first step in creating a heat map is to give it a meaningful name. This name will help you identify and organize your heat maps later on. For example, you can name it Homepage Engagement Heat Map. Additionally, you have the option to select a distinctive color to enhance differentiation further. Decide which specific page on your website you want to analyze using a heat map. This could be your home page, a product page, or any other page of interest. A dynamic page is a group of pages of your website that are identical or similar, but have different dynamic parameters in their URLs. This will allow you to display the stats for these grouped pages in a clustered form. To generate a dynamic page, navigate to the website settings, select the Special Pages option, and then click on Add a Dynamic Page. Once you've successfully created the dynamic page, it will be visible in the heat map section. Identify the URL pattern associated with the page you want to analyze. This will help you configure your heat map tracking correctly. For example, if you're analyzing product pages, the URL pattern might include products, followed by a unique product identifier. You have the flexibility to choose the number of page views employed in generating the heat map, with the option to go up to 8,000. This feature proves valuable when you aim to monitor a specific audience or a defined level of website traffic. You have the option to activate filters. This feature is beneficial when you have created numerous heat maps and need to streamline the list to focus on the ones relevant to your current tasks. You can see a map of clicks, mouse movements, and scroll. As you can see, the colors on the scroll heat map get lighter as you move down the page, which means that a decreasing number of visitors are engaging with deeper parts of the page. Now, let's explore the versatility of our heat map tool. We'll show you how to display data from different devices, providing insights into how users interact with your site on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. The way visitors interact with web pages from different devices gives you insight into design changes that will increase engagement and clicks for all device types. The Visitors by Country feature allows you to access a visitor distribution map and ranks web page visitors based on their respective countries of origin. Additionally, you have the option to download the heat map in PNG format. The Show All Data tab provides a comprehensive view of all the collected heat map data, offering a deeper dive into user behavior and website usability. Additionally, you can download the data in CSV format. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive understanding of creating and using heat maps to gain insights into user behavior on your website. Heat maps are powerful tools for optimizing your site's performance and enhancing user experience. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.